In this video, I'm going to show you how to work with cards. Cards are very powerful and form the foundation of your Plexie. First, make sure you are in edit mode by clicking on the button in the upper right. You can toggle between edit and view modes anytime. You can create a card by clicking on any of the plus signs. You can also duplicate a card and delete a card. You can also rearrange your cards by grabbing them, dragging them, and putting them where you want. Now, let's start writing. Go ahead and put your cursor in a card and start writing. You can also paste text into your card. Every Plexie card has its own easy formatting. Simply highlight the text you want to format, and a menu pops up. You can select pre-formatted styles, bold, center, and more. Play around with the text until you get it just right. Clicking on the gear icon on a card lets you add a background color or an image. Here, I will add an image. Click on the blue box so you can choose an image. Then, set as background. Keep in mind this is a background image, which means you can write over the image and format the text. Let's try something slightly different and insert the same image as a picture in another card. Create a new card, click on the plus sign, then click on the media icon and select your picture. Then place the image. Click on the image and you can format it within the card or grab the edge of the picture to change the size. You can see the difference. The image floats in the card, and you can add text under, below, or alongside the picture. In addition to images, you can embed videos in cards. Simply grab the link to the video and drop it in the card. You can also embed documents, presentations, and other files. That's what you need to know for working with cards. Be sure to check out our other videos where we tell you how to organize, collaborate, and make your Plexie look amazing. Good luck!